Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another scam website, but this scam website is didn't pay you any Dogecoin. I share with you this website. This is the website, okay, Doge4u, 50 Doge. You can earn this much Doge, but didn't pay you anything, okay. And this is the website, and you can see in the first video I made, this is the withdrawal of the first video I made. Right now this is this much withdrawal, okay. Didn't show any update in here, and this will be update, but this is didn't, because this website didn't pay anything, okay. Just I log in to show you this website pay me or not. This is 100% fake website. Don't use this website, okay. Be alert. Just I click login myself in the website. This website is very slow website because I have a lot of advertisement about that. This will be take a few minutes, so reloading and opening the page, okay. About that I just pause the video and then I resume. And now you can see I have this much Doge in my wallet, okay, and this much coin will be equal to this much Doge, 0.1 Doge, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I 39 Doge I have. This is the minimum withdrawal of the Dogecoin, 10 Doge, but I have 39. Just I put in here 39 Doge, okay. Just I put my Faucet pay wallet order. Just I click withdraw. This will be tell me you didn't have enough cryptocurrency to withdraw, okay. Now you can see this will be show me an error, okay. The minimum didn't reach it, okay. About that, this website is 100% fake website, and I have this much referral link, but I tell you, all of you, don't waste your time in this website. Sorry about this much people to come with join with my referral link. Sorry to I make a fake video because I didn't know this website pay or not, okay. About this website is 100% fake. Don't use this website. I didn't receive any withdraw from this website. This is my purchase balance too, and I didn't have anything to do in here. This is 100% fake website. And just watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites, and I always share with you the scam website and the real websites too, okay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos too, okay. Bye bye.